Hello, and welcome to Juicing for Mankind. If you're looking to detox your body and heal at a cellular level, juicing is one of the most powerful tools you can use. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how juicing works to remove toxins, restore energy, and support deep cellular repair. Let's get into it. Every day, our bodies are exposed to toxins from processed foods, environmental pollutants, and even stress. Over time, these toxins build up, leading to fatigue, brain fog, digestive issues, and even chronic disease. But here's the good news. Your body is designed to detox itself, and juicing can supercharge that process. Raw, fresh juices are packed with enzymes, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that help flush toxins from your cells, reduce inflammation, and restore your body's natural balance. You know, one of the biggest benefits of juicing is that it allows your digestive system to rest while still delivering essential nutrients to your body. Unlike eating solid foods, which can take hours to digest, juice is absorbed into the bloodstream within 15 to 20 minutes, delivering a real boost to your cells. Juicing also helps alkalize the body, reducing acidity that contributes to inflammation and disease. Plus, certain ingredients like celery, cucumber, and lemon are especially powerful for detoxing the liver and kidneys, your body's main filtration system. Not all juices are created equal. To maximize detoxification and cellular healing, focus on these powerhouse ingredients: dark leafy greens like spinach or kale, celery and cucumber, lemon and ginger, beets and carrots, and herbs like parsley and cilantro. Now that you've discovered the benefits of juicing, let's make a simple yet powerful detox juice that you can drink daily to cleanse your body and boost energy. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for best results. You can also do a 1 to 3 day juice cleanse if you're looking for a deeper detox. Juicing is more than just a trend. It's a powerful healing tool that supports detoxification, cellular repair, and long-term vitality. If you want to take your health to the next level, start incorporating fresh juice into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more juicing tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite detox juice ingredients. See you in the next video.